Hi everyone, we are going to talk about Cyclone Mantha. Cyclone Mantha is a powerful storm formed over southeast Bay of Bengal in October 2025. The name Mantha was given by Thailand, which means beautiful flower or fragrant flower. Cyclones in the North Indian Ocean region are given names by the countries in the region. Each country submits a list of 13 names. The name is picked by the Regional Specialized Meteorological Center RSMC, New Delhi, operated by the Indian Meteorological Department IMD under the supervision of World Meteorological Organization and the UN Economic and Social Commission of Asia and the Pacific. Now, let us know how Mantha is going to affect. It brings heavy rainfall and strong winds of about 90 to 100 km per hour over the coastal regions. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, Tamil Nadu states are likely to face heavy rainfall and strong winds. Cyclone Mantha is expected to hit between Kakinada and Machilipatnam. Coastal districts such as Kakinada, East Godavari, West Godavari, Eluru are placed under red alert zones. Let us all stay safe, follow weather updates, and help others during this time. Stay safe from Cyclone Mantha. Thank you.